Hi everyone, my name is Christina and this is my digital citizenship presentation. We are all probably very familiar with the term digital citizenship from our previous online courses. In EDUC 511, this was my first master's course when I decided to change my major to learning and technology. The class was basically like Technology 101 and it introduced a lot of new and interesting things about technology I never even knew about, including digital citizenship. So all of us are considered a digital citizen. If you're taking this online class, you are considered a digital citizen. Now, to be a good digital citizen, it all depends on what you do and how you act while being on the internet. From one of the resources that Dr. Brown provided for us, Mike Ribble defines digital citizenship as the norms of appropriate, responsible technology use. What does that mean necessarily? It means there are rules and regulations we must follow to act appropriately when using technology tools such as a computer, iPad, tablet, or phone. So to answer the question, what does it mean to be a good digital citizen today? Just follow these 9 basic stages. The first stage is digital access. So not everyone has equal access to technology, so helping to expand more opportunities for technology to be shared globally around the world would ensure that everyone has the digital resources available to them. The second stage is digital commerce. So many products are being sold and bought online, such as tickets, furniture, toys, and clothes, that it's important for students to learn to become effective and safe consumers by avoiding things like pornography and illegal downloading. The third stage is digital communication. There are so many modes of communication like email, texting, and messaging that it's important for students to be taught how to exchange electronic information appropriately. The fourth stage is digital literacy. This is where students must be taught on what technology is and how it should be used. Technology is only getting better but more complex as years go by. It is important for learners to always be up to date and informed about what is required to succeed in a digital society. Stage 5 is digital etiquette. Just like at the dinner table, etiquette is needed when dealing with digital citizenship. Students need to exhibit appropriate behavior that would allow other online users to feel comfortable while talking to them. Stage 6 is digital law. Digital law is basically teaching students how to make ethical choices when surfing the web. Things like illegal downloading, sending viruses, spamming a person's email, and hacking into someone's information is considered unethical and should not be tolerated online. The seventh stage is digital rights and responsibilities. As a user of digital technology, you have the right to privacy and the freedom of personal expression. We must teach our students that with these rights comes responsibilities. They have to learn how to use the internet with integrity, use it wisely, and learn to respect the works of others. So just like us, they must learn how to cite their resources. The eighth stage is digital health and wellness. There are certain circumstances where kids are dying because they've been glued to their computer screens for numerous days playing video games. These are the kinds of accidents we want to avoid. We have to educate our students to know that technology can be harmful to their health if used excessively. And the last stage is digital security. I've had numerous cases where my credit card information has been stolen, so I feel like digital security is really important to teach our kids. For their own safety, we have to make sure they are responsible for protecting their own personal information because in our society, horrible people will steal and hack others for a living. Now the question, what should we teach about using technology appropriately? I feel like acronyms make learning fun and easy to remember for kids, so introducing them to THINK, T-H-I-N-K, would be an efficient way to instill how to become an upstanding digital citizen. So first, they need to ask themselves, is the information they're receiving online true? Second, is what's being said hurtful or harmful to others? Third, is what they're doing legal or illegal? Fourth, is this content necessary or can I leave it out? And lastly, is what I'm doing kind, nice, and will it make others feel comfortable interacting with me? There are so many instances of cyberbullying, online harassment, child pornography, and pedophiles stalking children. So I feel like digital citizenship is really important for the safety of our students, and it's the number one important thing to address when teaching our classroom. The sooner they are educated on the matter, the sooner the digital society will be better. Thank you.